How to find your last name settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your last name settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here and then click these 3 points. Now click edit profile and now once you're here click personal info, and as you see here you can manage and change your last name. It's easy. Here is it, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.